Hey y'all, well, nice rainy day here in sunny state of Florida. That's funny. Well, give you a little update on the 69 build, since we're all off of quarantine and all this bull crap is done for the Miller house. But
cab is
here
off.
we go. Don't mind that right there. That is my 16-year-old's new toy. Cab is off. And we kind of figured out a different way of doing it. We cut everything off with it mounted to the frame, firewall, the whole entire bed. I'm gonna tell you what, or the floor. 69 is a lot different than any 70s model truck because of this, where the gas tank goes behind the seat. That was a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
The least of the words can say on that. But it all came off in one swoop. A little bit of pulling and twisting, but she's off. Bed is going to be
Seeing
next.
how we cut the cab off on the frame, which was a little more difficult than we thought, but it actually was easier because instead of having to pull it off and then cutting the floor, it was all in one. But my son did the same thing with the bed, cut it off on the frame versus having to do all that extra work of taking it off, then cutting it and all that. So, trying to give you a rundown of what he did.
You see, these two supports got cut, and those are in the middle. Don't need them. The front one we kept. He ended up cutting around the floor, cutting the bolts out. Had a little problem with the back ones here. Excuse the fan, it's hot. I'll speak louder. The bolt up there he was able to get. That one he cut a little hatch for it in the floor, so it can be folded back over, welded shut, because we use this brace because the railing slides in there and becomes part of the support. And if the bed turns out it needs the cross brace right there, well, we'll pull it off the truck, put it in, and we'll weld it back in. It's no big deal, but this is how you can take it all off in one shot, save a few steps. But it's all off. I'm about to move stuff around, bring in the Crown Vic, start putting everything together.
Still haven't found the carcass.
Just like the other ones, it's coming together. Have to cut the back of the frame. Try to give you all a little bit of information here. All them holes around the airbox, everything here. I've never showed it in another video, but we're actually closing them off. That's what these caps are for. I got a picture of the other side, so everything can kind of be airtight. All right, y'all. Cab welded in. We added some box supports right there in the corners. Got the whole front welded up. Bed mocked up. Bed cut out. Front supports in the front. We're working on the back later. We are currently working on the front end. Front's been mocked up 2 or 3 times. Piece that goes across the dash is done. Got the frame cut. Frame boxed in. Got the core support cut. Well, what's left of it on these. There's the other pieces.
Turns out these 69s are just a little bit more different than the 70s. And 77, 78 like we got, everything's just a little bit shorter. We had to bring in the radiator support and a bolt. You kind of see it right there, hanging there. So it's moved in one hole. So it takes the front of it all, instead of it kicked out, it moves it in square so everything fits. Just little different things. We do got this one sitting higher than the other ones. The gentleman that wants it wants to be a little, he wants to sit higher, so that's what we did. Bed is a little bit different also on cutting it out, but it's coming along. All right, y'all. Hey, one more thing, I'll let you later. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on these videos. I'm new to this. I always forget to say it, and I normally just put it in text on the videos. But I really appreciate all the likes, the subscribers I've gotten so far. And like I said, I'm trying to grow this. I'm trying to do something, definitely with my family. This is a family-built thing. Me and my son's been doing it, and we definitely enjoy it. But again, I appreciate everything. All right, y'all. I'll let you later.